Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jackie, and on my channel I try to come up with quick, easy, and delicious recipes for the whole family to enjoy. So today I'm going to be making oven-baked chicken with a honey garlic barbecue sauce. So stay tuned for the recipe. So I have here 10 chicken thighs, and I've already cleaned it and taken the skin off. So now it's time to season. This is about 2 tablespoons of pink Himalayan salt, about 1 tablespoon of black pepper, about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, about 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and this is just an all-purpose seasoning. It has paprika, cumin, thyme, and oregano, and I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of this. I'm going to mix this all together really well, making sure that all the chicken thighs are well coated with the seasoning. So I'm going to cover this and let it sit on my counter for about 15 minutes. You can also let this marinate for a few hours in the fridge if you have the time. I want these thighs to be a bit crispy on the outside, so I'm going to line my baking pan with some parchment paper, and I'm going to drizzle on some avocado oil, but you can use whatever oil you like. I've used olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil as well. It's really up to you. Now I'm just going to use my tongs and put the chicken thighs bone side down. This is going in the oven on 375 degrees for 25 minutes on this side. So after 25 minutes, I'm going to flip the chicken onto the other side. It amazes me how much chicken shrinks when they're baked. I have a lot more room on the pan for these 10 thighs. I'm going to put these back in the oven for another 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to make the barbecue sauce. This is about a 1/4 cup of a regular barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce of your choice. 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder. And I'm just going to use my fork to mix this together. This is just an easy way to make a regular store-bought barbecue sauce taste much better. So I've taken the chicken out of the oven and I'm going to flip them over. See how nice and brown they are? Now I'm going to brush on a good amount of the barbecue sauce on each of the thighs. You want to add the barbecue sauce at the end, because if you do this when you first start baking, the barbecue sauce will just burn. These are going back into the oven for just 5 minutes. So the chicken thighs are done. That honey garlic barbecue sauce adds a nice smoky sweetness to the chicken thighs, and it's definitely finger looking good. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.